made this beat.
Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. It's me, TT with the good hair. I'm here today with a video on how I co-wash my hair. I do my wash days with my rice water rinse on Saturdays. So on Wednesdays, just to keep my pH balanced in my hair so I don't get protein overload, I decided that I was going to co-wash on Wednesdays. And then of course shampoo with the rice water on Saturday. So let me just say that, because I know that the people that know me will probably try to get on my case about this. I am against co-washing. I believe that, or in my mind, I think that co-washing is like you going to take a shower and instead of you using soap, you're just using lotion. Yeah, that's what I think about co-washing, and it still holds true today. But like I said, I want to keep my hair balanced so I don't damage my hair, because rice has a lot of protein in it, and considering the fact that my ends are blonde and my hair was really weak, which when I actually kind of explained this in one of my chit chat videos. My hair was kind of weak. I didn't know, but it was. So I didn't want to get protein overload. I don't want any type of overload. I want my hair to be perfectly balanced. So in an effort to keep the pH, which if you don't know what I mean when I say pH, then you can go ahead and Google it and search it and find out about it. Very interesting stuff, by the way. But yeah, so that's why I co-wash in between during the rice water rinses on my wash days. And as you can tell, I don't have a twist out in this video. I didn't feel like doing it, so I just have this ponytail. If you'd like to see how I got this ponytail, then comment down below and let me know, and I'll make a video on that. I am still using the same products that I use for my twist out. Before I go, of course, I have to say subscribe to my channel, like, comments, and share my content. If you guys want any videos or have any suggestions for anything, comment below. And I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you for tuning in.
God made this beat. this beat.